Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start today's analysis for gold, starting with Forex Factory. We got some heavy impact news for CAD as well as USD at 1:30 p.m. UK time. So, especially the non-farm employment change and the rest of the high impact news, uh, they will heavily affect the price of USD and hence all the USD pairs, including gold. And now let's move on to the Dixie, what Dixie shows us. Right. Dixie has traced back to a daily chart, 0.786 level. So I'm expecting rejection from here. As you can see from this daily sort of evening star pattern here and 4 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours seems a rejection from this level as well. So if it breaks this level and it goes to this up top of this level, and if it breaks this level here, then we can expect the gold to come down, but otherwise it'll be vice versa. Let's see what's happening in the gold. Uh, the gold has situation here like this. This is the evening, the morning star type of structure. Let's see if it works or not. It is on the level, so we can expect it may work depending on the news. It probably will work. Or what can happen if it doesn't? In case I would say that probably next level is around 19, this level 1924, and we've got 1920 level. So maybe market give a spark to this level and before we move to the upside. Let's see. And that's the daily situation. And weekly rejection candles are building up here, and end of week today as well. Previously we have this weekly bearish structure. End of month, approaching end of month, so beginning of month it is, sorry. And what the market did, can go up depending on the situation. A 4 hour and 1 hour, how the market moves tomorrow. If we make this a level in daily, so let's see 4 hour, we'll probably have a better picture. Right. As you can see, this range need to be broken out before we can see a clear move, either to the upside or to the downside. And if it's broken, we can see in 4 hour we have this demand area, and in 4H we haven't got any more demand area. However, in daily probably would have. We may have a daily this in daily we'll have this support area, supply area. As I said, it's around 1925. So these are the important areas. So this is around 1950 and this is around 1925. Maybe give a spike before we go and move to the upside. And 1 hour, as you can see, this area must be broken before move to the upside or downside. But anyway, let's see how the market moves. I hope this is useful. Just stick with your trading plan and expect the move to any direction. But however, when the move with your confirmation is done, you make sure you take trade without hesitation. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.